Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we are going to discuss how to convert numbers to words in Excel 2016. Let's watch this video and follow the step-by-step methods. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. The first solution you can try is to convert numbers to words using the option Format Cell option. To do so, select the range with the numeric values you want to format as text. Right-click on them and pick the Format Cells option from the menu list. On the Format Cells window, select Text under the Number tab and click OK. The next formula-free way to convert numbers to words in Excel using Text to Columns wizard. For this, select the cells you'd like to convert to words and make sure their format is set to General. Switch to the Data tab, Data Tools group, and click the Text to Columns button. Just click through steps 1 and 2. On the third step of the wizard, make sure you select the Text Radio button. Press Finish to see your numbers immediately turn into text. That's all there is to it. If you are looking for a way to fix Excel workbook corruption and recover all its data, then you can download the Excel Repair tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about how to convert numbers to words in Excel 2016. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.